Hey, what's up guys? So this is like a part 2 of this video. So I tried tinting these taillights with this tint spray, but as you guys can see, when the tint spray attached to the lenses, it just created this spiderweb effect. It like burnt the paint for some reason. I sanded it like 3 times and painted it, and it just wouldn't stick. So what I decided to do is just order blacked out taillights. They cost me like $75 from LMR, so I'm gonna put those on right now and we'll do like a before and after. But this is what happened when I tried tinting these with this tint spray paint. So obviously it's not a good look. From a few feet away it doesn't look too bad, but obviously I'm not gonna keep it like that. So yeah, let me put these taillights on and we'll take a look. These are the taillights I bought. So the actual lenses aren't blacked out. What's blacked out is the inner, like the inside of it is blacked out. But like I said, I bought them from Late Model Restoration. Great website. They ship very quickly. I also got the ABS sensor for this truck because I keep on having that ABS light on. So I'm going to replace it in the next few days. But yeah, these are the taillights. I think they look great. And you still don't lose any light, and they give you like that dark look, obviously with the insides being dark. So let's switch over the bulbs and put these in.
Never sees me, I'm losing every battle. No one ever sees me, I'm losing every battle. No one ever sees me, I'm losing every battle. Can somebody save me, I'm losing every battle.
Here's the finished product with them off. Obviously they are very similar taillights, but they don't have the chrome on the inside. So let's zoom in on an individual one, and I'm going to turn on the lights off and on for you guys and see how they look. So here you go. I think they look great. Very subtle and not like the chrome. The chrome just reminds me of like the 90s, like Hondas and stuff. So I think this is way better. But yeah, thanks for checking out this video. It turned out to be something else. Obviously I tried tinting these by myself at first, but I just wound up ordering some from LMR. So yeah, I would recommend LMR to anyone looking for any Lightning or Mustang parts. They have awesome customer service, awesome shipping. But yeah, thanks for watching my video.